Welcome to our exploration of the Book of Revelation, a captivating glimpse into a world of mystery, prophecy, and profound symbolism.
Chapter 5 opens with a powerful scene in heaven. John, the visionary author, describes a scroll sealed with 7 seals, held by God on the throne. A mighty angel questions, "Who is worthy to open the scroll?" This invokes despair until the Lamb, symbolizing Jesus, emerges triumphant, deemed worthy to break the seals. In Chapter 6, as the Lamb breaks each seal, a series of riders on horses, often called the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse, emerge. War, famine, disease, and death spread across the earth, symbolizing divine judgment and chaos. The opening of the 5th seal reveals martyred souls seeking justice, given white robes, highlighting hope amidst tribulation. When the 6th seal is broken, cosmic upheaval ensues, earthquakes, celestial anomalies, a call to fear and repentance. Revelation 6:16. Chapter 7 offers solace amid turmoil. Here, 4 angels hold back damaging winds, marking a pause before further judgment. We encounter the 144,000, a symbolic number representing those faithful to God, sealed for protection. Then an immense multitude from every nation praises God, offering a vision of eventual salvation and unity. Revelation 7:9. Finally, Chapter 8 sees the 7th seal opened, leading to silence in heaven, a prelude to the next wave of events. 7 trumpets are handed to angels, their blasts signaling further calamities. The chapter underscores the theme of divine intervention and the persistent call for humanity to turn back to God. These chapters weave a tapestry of despair and hope, reflecting themes of judgment, redemption, and ultimate victory. They invite reflection on the tumultuous journey of faith and the assurance of divine sovereignty. Join us as we continue unraveling this intricate narrative that challenges and inspires believers worldwide.